Raise your arms over your head. Bring your arms forward and lift your torso and legs. You are now balancing on your buttocks. Make fists and extend your arms level with your toes. Do abdominal breathing. Your abdomen may shake a little as you hold, but that's normal. Exhale and come down, bringing your arms over your head. Relax completely, breathing fully. Extend your arms, then inhale and come up again. Balance on the sitting bones rather than your sacrum. Point your toes and contract your thighs. This will make your legs feel lighter. Extend your arms strongly. Exhale and come down. It should be easy to relax your entire body now. Relaxing fully will give you the energy to do it again. Inhale and come into the pose once more. Lift your chest, and this will help you extend your spine. And this pose tones the liver, gallbladder, and spleen. It's also an excellent back strengthener. Exhale and come down. Let go of all stress. Don't hold any more tension.
Body will cease to be.